The tools used to install the expandable folding house: inclined cutter, angle grinder, electric hand drill, structural adhesive and glue gun, nail-free glue and glue gun, scissors. The first stage: unfold expandable folding house. Place the expandable folding house in the flat ground. Remove all accessories from the house. Place pads on the wings of the house. Unfold out the flanks and support with a strut. Open the flanking latch. Lay flat bottom plate. Open the side and front walls. Repeat the above steps to open the house on the other side. Expandable folding house unfold complete. Mounting screws before the house. Install screws after the house. Connect the external power supply located above the rear of the house. The water inlet and outlet ports are located below the rear of the house. Second stage: install the internal accessories. Measure the dimensions and install the edge sealing plate. Apply sealant. Install the skirting wire. Try to install skirting line first. Cut material according to measurement size. Glue the back of the skirting line. Install the skirting lines in place. Install the top corner cable. Measure the size and cut the material, and cut the diagonal. Glue the back of the top corner line. Install all the top corner lines in turn. Mounting angle. Glue the back of the negative corners. Install the negative corners in turn. Install floor trim. Glue the back of the trim. Paste flat along floor creases and press firmly. Install the top gusset plate. Cover the gusset plate over the girder, fixed using the screw. Install door wrapping. Attach the edge of the doorway to the doorpost and secure it with drill wire. Install kitchen cabinets. Remove the outer packing and place the cabinet in the corresponding position. Install wall cupboard. Where the girder extends into the kitchen roof, play fixed screw. Then, glue the gaps in the whole house. At this point, the installation of the expandable folding house is complete.